Here's a smooth, audience-friendly script for the 2027 Mazda CX-20. The 2027 Mazda CX-20 is Mazda's fresh take on the compact crossover market, designed to slot beneath the CX-30 but with a unique identity of its own. At first glance, it's clear Mazda hasn't treated this as just another entry-level model. The CX-20 carries the same Kodo design philosophy that defines the rest of Mazda's lineup, with sleek proportions, flowing curves, and an elegance that feels more premium than what you normally expect from a compact crossover. The front end features a sharp interpretation of Mazda's signature grille, flanked by slim LED headlights that give the car a sporty and confident face. Even in a crowded segment, the CX-20 manages to stand out with a design that feels timeless rather than trendy. Performance has always been a strong part of Mazda's DNA, and the CX-20 continues that tradition. It comes with a choice of efficient powertrains, starting with a small but capable turbocharged 4-cylinder engine tuned for responsiveness in city driving while still offering enough muscle for highway cruising. For buyers focused on efficiency, Mazda also offers a hybrid version that combines smooth acceleration with excellent fuel economy, making it a smart choice for everyday commuting. And staying true to Mazda's commitment to driving fun, the steering and suspension are finely tuned to deliver a more connected, agile feel than most competitors in this class. That's one of the CX-20's biggest strengths. While many compact crossovers feel like appliances, this one feels alive behind the wheel. Mazda hasn't just focused on the mechanical side of things. The CX-20 is practical too, with dimensions that make it easy to maneuver in tight city streets while still providing enough room for passengers and cargo. The proportions are well balanced, and the sloping roofline gives it a coupe-like style without sacrificing usability. At the back, a clean tailgate design with narrow L.